In today's video, I'll show you how to delete your account on HBO Max. First, open your browser and go to the official HBO Max website. Make sure you're logged into your account. Before you can delete your account, you'll need to cancel your subscription. Once on the home page, click on your profile icon in the top right corner. Then select Subscription. Click Cancel your subscription, then follow the prompts and click Continue to cancel. You can continue streaming HBO Max until your subscription expires. After your subscription has ended, you can submit a delete request. Go to hbomax.com/account-delete. Choose your preferred language in the upper right corner, then enter the information associated with your account and submit the form. If you don't remember your HBO Max account email, click Forgot my HBO Max email to recover it. Check your inbox for an email from HBO Max with the subject line, Your request to delete your account. Open the email and select Delete my account to complete the process. And that's it. That's how you delete your account on HBO Max.